Okay, so this is stability. When Peter stands on his left leg, which is his uninjured side, he's okay. When he stands on his right leg, he goes into flexion and he's wobbly. Stability issue. He doesn't like weight bearing. I'm not going to make him stand on his right leg to try and fix this problem. It's too difficult. So I'll put him down on his knees. Bird dog from Stuart McGill. Fantastic. Okay, so what I will do, I want to keep Peter honest. Tuck. So 3 points of contact, back of the skull, T-spine, and he's got a lumbar curve. He should keep it. Sacrum, 3 points of contact. Okay. Can you point your right hand in front of you? Keep it there. Left leg behind you. So I don't want to make Peter too tired, but he's actually stabilizing on his injured hip. His right hip is stabilizing him. His pelvis is totally stable. Stability, that's what we're training. Okay, come in, elbow in, that's enough, knee in and out again. Fantastic. And it's a challenge, he's wobbling slightly, but he's on his limit. Fine. And relax. How many should he do? As many as he can do with good form and technique. As soon as he starts compensating, he loses his posture, stop, it's enough. Do it on both sides, but more on the right. Okay, second stability exercise. Peter, can you go into your half kneeling pose? So your left foot is forward. Okay. Again, please remember, this is his injured side. This is his right hip. But this is easier than standing. Fine. So, toes under, backside is turned on. Fine. This is the stability part of it. Hands on top of your head. Okay. And all I've asked Peter to do, if he feels very stable in this position, he moves his foot in slightly. So he narrows his base of support. Fine. He finds a position that's challenging, but not too challenging. Fine, so he's wobbling slightly, he's concentrating, it's enough. Okay? How long does he do this for? Until he can't, until he starts compensating. Stop, the exercise is finished. Relax. Well done.